Okay, kids. Boom. Okay, what's Papa doing now? Kids, we're gonna make some pork shish kebabs. But what we're doing with the pork, which is really interesting, is I've taken a pork butt. A lot of people, when they're trying to figure out what to do with the pork butt, they, smoke it and then they got 2 baggies of pulled pork forever. And I'm just trying to show you some different recipes. If you don't want to buy a pork butt, you can also buy country style ribs, which are from pretty much a pork butt. And they're just trimmed down. So what I've done is I've cut them into little nuggets. And we're gonna start by taking these nuggets, putting them in a baggie, because I use a lot of baggies. So what this is gonna be is a little bit like pork, maybe not quite pulled pork, but a pork loin, but also it's kind of a hybrid of a pork steak. So what we have is let's call them mini steaks, okay? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little olive oil in here, then some sweet money, hot. Here comes the sweet money. I like to mix them a lot. Now we're gonna shake it up really good. Get a nice olive oil coating. Oh, that's gonna be beautiful. If you notice, I have this cutting board because raw meat goes on different than vegetables and stuff, because I'm worried about contamination. Okay. Red onion, red bell pepper, and sweet pineapple. Now, I've got it in 2 different bags because I'm cooking it at different times. What I'm going to do is put, again, some olive oil in this baggie. Not a ton. Sweet money hot. Whoa, whoa, defective. Okay, it's defective. We've shaken it all up. Why 2 baggies, Papa? Because this has the pork, and this is gonna take longer to cook. We're gonna go out on the Mac 2-star, and we're gonna smoke this at 275. Probably check it in 45 minutes to see how it's doing. If it looks good there, and it's somewhere near 180, which it won't be, but it'll be close, then I'm going to take the vegetables and the pineapple and put them on a sheet pan. And I'm gonna add them to the cooker halfway through, because I don't want them raw in this 3/4 of the way done. So when we get this done and the pork butt's about 180, and these vegetables are soft a little bit, we'll pull it all back together. We will assemble it, and then we're gonna grill them off and glaze them with a nice honey Japanese barbecue sauce. I think you'll really like it. So these are going in the refrigerator. Next time you see me, I'll be preparing the rack for the pork and the pan for the veggies. Okay, kids, we're doing our pork butt, chopped pork steak, or diced pork steak. What are we gonna call it? We're gonna call it good. So we're putting these on this grate. Time for some sweet money. Let it sweat a little bit. Let it shine, let that salt dissolve, and I'll see you by the cooker. Okay, let's put the pork on. We're gonna check it in a half hour. 275, sweet money. And then we'll put the vegetables in at that point. Take a nice smoke bath, we'll check back with you. Okay, it's been 25 minutes. $156, looking good. Okay, so now vegetables. Gonna go on top for about 10 minutes. Okay, I think we're ready. Okay, let's build the kebabs. Okay, we've smoked the pork and the vegetables and the pineapple. They smoked for maybe 40 minutes, a little longer than I thought. The vegetables about 15 minutes. Okay, let's assemble them now. Sweet money. One down. Look at this. It's going to be beautiful. And it's going to taste great. 2 down, 1 to go. You can wait, but there's extra pork here. I know. Oh, that's good. The Sweet Money, the great pork. Boy, just right amount of smoke. The Sweet Money's just, okay. We're going to be out at the gas grill in just a second here. Ta-da, 3 ready. And some snacks for the cook. Okay, let's put them on. Siri, 2-minute timer. Put a little sauce on it. Bring them in. Okay, there we go. A little cleanup on the plate. And ready to take pictures and call the diners in. Okay, kids. Boom.